Good morning students. This is your last lecture of chapter life process. Here we discuss about the excretion system in human being and plants. Okay. Here this is the structure of excretion system in human being. Okay. Okay. What is excretion? Excretion is a biological process by which an organism get rid of excess or toxic waste from human body. Okay. Excretion remove unwanted byproduct of metabolism, toxic chemical substances, and regulate the ionic concentration of body fluid. It also regulate water content of the body and regulate pH of body fluid also. Okay. Now what is here we describe about excretion in human being. This is the excretory system of human being. Okay. Excretory system consists of pair of kidney, pair of ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Okay. In kidney, if you talk about the kidney, okay, this is your kidney structure of your kidney. Kidney are located in the abdomen, one on the either side of backbone. Means left kidney is larger than higher than right kidney. Okay. And urine production in the kidney passes through the ureter into urinary bladder, where it is stored until it released through the urethra. Okay. Okay, if you talk about this structure, this is the structure of kidney. Okay. Here you see renal vein. Okay. What is renal vein? The main blood vessel that carry blood from the kidney and ureter to the inferior vena cava. This is a renal vein in each kidney. Means each kidney has one renal vein. Okay. Next one is renal artery. It carry blood to the kidney from the aorta. As you know, the aorta we already studied in aorta in human circulatory system. Okay. Now what is medulla? Here you see the medulla. Medulla is the main function of medulla. The medulla is to regulate concentration of the urine. Okay. And here you see minor calyx. What is minor calyx? Minor calyx means surround the renal papillae of each pyramid like structure, as you see in the diagram, and it collect the urine from pyramids as seen in major calyx. Okay. Means minor calyx surround the renal papillae of each pyramid and collect the urine from pyramid. Okay. And major pyramid, urine formed in the kidney, those urine which is formed in kidney passes through the papilla at the apex into a minor calyx, then into the major calyx, and before passing through the renal pelvic, it is to the ureter. Okay. This is all about the structure of kidney. Okay. Means the urine produced in the kidney passes through the ureter into the urinary bladder, where it is stored until it released through the urethra. This is the structure. Okay. Interior kidney is made up of numerous microscopic excretory unit. Means if you someone questioning you what is the excretory unit of kidney, then you answer that one is nephron. Okay. So internally a kidney is made up of numerous microscopic excretory unit. We call it nephrons. And the function of kidney is to filtration of blood to excrete the waste product of metabolism, and the kidney filtrate about I think 190 liter of blood to produce 0.9 to 2 liter of urine daily. Okay. If we talk about the nephron, what is nephron and what is the work of nephron, then each nephron has cup shaped upper and because of its shape it calls Bowman capsule. Okay. Means nephron has cup shaped structure, and that's why we also call them Bowman capsule. It contains bundle of blood capillaries called glomerulus. As you see now, when you made a tea, there is chalni like structure which filtrate the tea and the fluid. Okay. At the same in kidney, it contains a bundle of blood capillaries that called glomerulus, and the Bowman capsule and glomerulus together form globular body, that one we call renal capsule. Okay. Now the blood in the capillaries of glomerulus come from aorta by renal artery, and after passing through glomerulus it return to the posterior vena cava in renal veins. Okay. Now the blood entering into glomerulus carry waste material which are filtered out in the Bowman capsule. Filtration is possible because wall of glomerular capillary and Bowman capsule are very thin and selectively permeable. Okay. Thus membrane, because this membrane allow only small molecules and water in the blood to pass through them, and once the waste is filtered out, the blood free from waste goes into the renal vein, from where it goes into heart through posterior vena cava. Okay. Vena cava is clear in when we discuss about the blood circulatory system. The vena cava, which take deoxygenated blood, okay, from left ventricle to uh, right auricle. Okay. The fluid containing waste material is forced out of glomerulus capillary in the Bowman capsule, and the filtered out fluid is called glomerular filtrate. Means Bowman capsule leads to a long tubular structure before meeting collecting duct. Okay. And during the flow of glomerular filtrate in this long tube, reabsorption of useful material takes place. Means 100% in 100% of excretory material, only 1% is urine, and remain 99% is reabsorbed by the kidney. Okay. Finally, the urine moves through the ureter and collect in the urinary bladder till throughout of the body. Means in 100% of waste which is generated by the kidney, 99% of waste like protein, like salt, is reabsorbed by the kidney, because these all are necessary for human body, and only 1% is made by urine, which is excreted through the urinary bladder, means move through the ureter and collect in the urinary bladder till throughout of the body. Okay. Now beta, this is all about your excretory system in human being. If you talk about the excretion in plants, the major waste substances produced by plant are oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. They can rid of excess water by transpiration, and many of the toxic waste products are stored with dead permanent tissue which are removed periodically. Okay. And waste products are stored in leaves which may fall off, and some waste protein product in plants such as latex, gum, resin are stored in old xylem. Okay. So this is all about excretion in plant. Here we discuss about excretion in human being and excretion in plant. Okay. Here this is there is the most important thing is excretory unit, which is nephron. Okay. You know what is you have to know about what is nephron, what is the function of nephron, what is the function of Bowman capsule, means what is the function of glomerulus. Okay. And how excess of waste material are rid out from the body, like kidney. Okay. The ureter, one ureter is attached from the kidney, which pump the urine in urinary bladder, and after that urethra remove it from the human body. Okay. This is all about urinary bladder. Human means this is all about the your excretory system in human being and excretory system in plants. Okay. This is all about your chapter life process ended here. I hope you all know and understand about the all topic, but if you have any query, even all that, you have to be Zoom classes, please discuss over there. Okay. Thank you.